Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon Mars price prediction and Dogelon Mars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon Mars in 2022. Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you news about Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, Elon's brother, says he violently opposes cryptocurrency. Mining Bitcoin has been shown to consume an enormous amount of energy. A single BTC transaction is projected to eat up 2,292.5 kilowatt-hours of electricity, which is sufficient to run a normal US home for nearly 80 days. This is the reason why his brother Elon stopped accepting Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles last year, despite the fact that the electric car manufacturer still has roughly $2 billion in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. With over 200,000 transactions each day and counting, worry about crypto's environmental impact has grown. Tesla announced in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on February 8 last year that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Elon's younger brother stated last week that Tesla was initially completely ignorant of Bitcoin's environmental implications when it introduced the cryptocurrency to its balance sheet. Kimmel is the owner of the environmentally friendly restaurant business The Kitchen and is reported to have a net worth of $700 million. He is on the boards of directors of Tesla and SpaceX, and holds a sizable stake in the space exploration company. Kimmel announced the development of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, in December last year with the goal of enabling decentralized charity. He discussed a variety of issues with Input magazine, including his thoughts on wealth and his food equality cryptocurrency initiative, Big Green DAO. BGDAO is built on the Ethereum blockchain and provides each member with a single vote on the decentralized autonomous organization's decisions. On carbon footprints and being cautious, Kimmel did express optimism for Ethereum 2.0, which is expected to consume significantly less energy than Ether, and is also expected to be more secure. Meanwhile, environmentalists claim that cryptocurrency's rise is creating a massive carbon footprint, thereby contributing to the world's climate problem. Kimmel also shared the tips that his brother has given him when it comes to cryptocurrencies. To be honest, I have no idea what his position is on crypto, he told Input. The most important piece of advice I received from my brother is be cautious, he said. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%, but still continues to surprise. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.0000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named sold shares of Tesla worth $108 million, a day before Musk did a Twitter poll, where he asked whether he should offload 10% of his stake in the company. Elon Musk told the Financial Times that Elon Musk did not know about the Twitter poll till it was posted. However, his lawyers were aware of the poll. Last week, Tesla chief alleged that the SEC is harassing him and Tesla with an endless investigation. He believes that the commission is doing this to him for being an outspoken critic of the government. However, there is no statement being made by the SEC. I didn't start it, but sure will end it. Elon Musk has been very outspoken against SEC. Back in 2018, SEC filed a case against Tesla chief for his funding secured comment. He claimed that the agency was working for people shorting the electric automaker. In this scenario, it didn't turn out to be Elon's way as they both reached a settlement, where Musk was made to step down as the chairman of the board. In addition, Tesla and Musk each had to pay $20 million in fines. To this, Elon didn't want his EV manufacturing company to pay and suffer for his comments. But he also could not directly pay for it. He went on to buy $20 million worth of shares from Tesla, which ended up in a 71,000 additional Tesla shares deal. This settlement eventually helped Musk to add more shares. Tesla's shares are down about 33% since Musk began selling billions of dollars worth of shares on November 8. 58% of the voters asked Elon to sell his share. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating whether recent Dogelon Mars is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.0000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.000000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.000000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.000000132, with an expected price of $0.000000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.000000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.000000192, a low price of $0.000000186, and an expected price of $0.000000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.000000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.000000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.000000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.000000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027. Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.000000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars